I use the kitchen / dining room table as my desk, and of course I don't have drawers or anything, so I got some stackable, collapsible bins. I can't wait to show them to you. So it comes like this. Underneath, this is the lid. Open it up here and here, and then we bring this up, push down, snap it into place. And then the same thing, of course, on the other side. It's snap it into place. The other side, snap it into place. Sit right on top. Finally organized. Look at that. What a major improvement, right? So in the bottom one here, I just put stuff that I never really hardly ever use. And then the middle one, I just have all my camera equipment and my handy little bug vacuum cleaner. Gotta love that. Up here, I have stuff that I need to access a little bit more often than I do in these other two. I just love this so much. I am so excited about this purchase.